Think you can just whip up your own Xylometazoline when the bottle runs dry? Short answer, no. Longer answer, here's why, and what you safely can do instead. Stuffy knows? The 3-minute Xylometazoline deep dive. Xylometazoline is a lab-made imidazoline decongestant. Chemists start with aromatic hydrocarbons like xylene. They build the imidazoline ring. They stabilize it as a hydrochloride salt. Then they formulate it into a sterile, buffered aqueous nasal solution. That's precision chemistry plus sterile manufacturing, not a kitchen project. It narrows nasal blood vessels, vasoconstriction, that shrinks swelling, and it cuts mucus so you breathe easier. Goodman and Gilman, 2018. Mechanism: alpha adrenergic receptor activation. Attempting this at home risks contamination, wrong concentration, and serious side effects. FDA 2020. So what if pharmacies are closed and your nose is a brick? Here are evidence-aligned, low-risk stopgaps while you wait. Not medical advice, just information. Do not DIY sterile solutions. WHO 2008. Use a plain saline nasal spray. Use a sterile saline rinse kit. These mechanically clear mucus and allergens without drugs. Look for isotonic saline. Take a warm shower. Inhale gentle humidified air. No boiling pots on the stove. Keep it safe and comfortable. Stay hydrated. Try external nasal strips to lift the nasal valves. Elevate your head when lying down. Gravity reduces nasal pooling. Consider a dab of menthol eucalyptus chest rub for perceived airflow. Never in or near nostrils, and avoid in infants. What about other decongestants? Oral pseudoephedrine may be an option when available. Oral phenylephrine may be an option when available. They have systemic effects and mixed evidence. FDA 2020, BMJ 2013. If the store's closed, don't substitute with caffeine hacks or random supplements. Other topical sprays like Xylometazoline work similarly. They carry the same rebound risk. If you do use a topical decongestant, keep it short, ideally under 3 days. EMA 2013. Red flags that mean skip the hacks and seek care. High fever, severe facial pain, wheezing, bloody discharge, symptoms longer than 10 days. High-risk groups like pregnancy or cardiovascular disease. Quick myth busts. Stronger is better. No, overuse causes rebound congestion. EMA 2013. Homemade drops are fine. No, sterility and dosing matter. FDA 2020. Peppermint oil cures congestion. It may feel cooler, but it's not a vasoconstrictor. BMJ 2013. Xylometazoline equals lab synthesis. Arrow to HCl salt, arrow to sterile solution. Mechanism: alpha adrenergic vasoconstriction. Result: less swelling and less mucus. Home synthesis? Hard no. Safer stopgaps: saline, humidity, hydration, nasal strips. Brief use of regulated products when available. The analysis in retrospect was done with help of AI. It's not perfect, but it offers a wider view. This is not medical advice. Do not do it at home. Sponsored by www.beterbitesinterdalibravsdospal.com. Producer of Cacao Norte Sur from Mexico. Thanks for supporting smart, safe content.